So I'm not wearing my goggles. I'm wearing sunglasses because I don't like any goggles. And we are going to do a volcano today.
That's
because
right.
We have soap. We have water.
That's right.
And a spoon.
That's right. We're going to go through all the components of the experiment. Today is a classic.
And we're going to do a volcano today.
Yes. The audience, our subscribers have asked, and we are delivering.
Yeah. And I'm so excited.
We're so excited to blow up this volcano. So what we started was last night I made this volcano, I'm going to zoom in on it, out of plaster with a mold. But you're welcome to just create it out of paper mache or...
And I'm spiraled.
or maybe there's one you can buy on Amazon. This we constructed ourselves because we wanted to have some fun painting it and making a volcano. So let's start. So what is a volcano? So a volcano.
He brings no drink and no drinks and
no drinks in the lab. That's right. So a volcano. What's a volcano? Do you know what a volcano is? What is it?
It's when you blow up stuff with soap.
That's how we'll simulate the eruption of a volcano. But what is a volcano? Do you know? Would you like to know what a volcano is? So a volcano is a type of mountain formed by the earth, formed by an opening in the earth's surface that allows material from deep inside the earth to come out of the surface.
Yes.
And to understand this, you kind of need to know how the earth is made. So the structure of the earth is made up of multiple layers. We live on the thin, brittle outer layer, which is called the crust, but underneath the crust, I'm losing her, it's called a mantle. And beneath the mantle is a liquid outer core, which is superheated liquid rock, and then a solid inner core, which is about 750 miles thick, made up of dense nickel and iron. Okay, now the finger out of the nose. And maybe we'll just go, you want to just get to the experiment? Let's just cut to the experiment. All right.
I want to see my goggles.
You want to wear the goggles now? They look, and that reminds me, so for those who may be new to tuning in, we have to discuss a very important, very caveat of safety. So for any of these experiments, you want to make sure that there's an adult present. An adult is someone...
Sally!
Who's Sally?
I saw her, look.
Oh, our neighbor just walked by. So maybe she'll subscribe. We'll go ask her later. Okay, so safety really quickly, since we go over this in every episode. So an adult, a mommy or a daddy or someone who is older, gloves to protect your hands and fingers, a lab coat, long pants, closed-toed shoes, hair typically pulled back if you can. This one is a little messier, so especially if we put some red dye in the sodium bicarbonate. If you do that, which is our eruption powder, it could stain your clothes. So you definitely want to wear maybe some clothes you don't mind getting dirty and stained, and your lab coat. All right, so how do we create this eruption? How it works. It's a chemical reaction between citric acid and our sodium bicarbonate. KABOOM, that's right. This is episode 4 of our KABOOM series.
Ooh.
So we have sodium bicarbonate, which we added some food coloring. So you can add any color you want.
Let's do it right now.
We're doing it right now. I'm explaining what we need. So citric acid, sodium bicarbonate, you need water, a cup at a time, a spoon, a teaspoon, and soap for creating a bigger eruption. We're gonna do.
And that's for plates.
And it's for cleaning plates. That's right. And ducks.
It's for cleaning ducks.
Dawn, not sponsored yet. of Austin's climbs with Scarlett. Okay. All right, so we have our opening, our eruption chamber.
No, that's our volcano.
That is our volcano. All right, let's do this.
Oh.
So let's, here we go. All right, thoroughly mix the citric acid and the bicarbonate powder together. So we're gonna pour our citric acid and our bicarbonate, our bicarbonate, which is a fancy science word for baking soda. So for those of you at home that want to try this at home, it's baking soda. And the citric acid is pretty much, if you don't have access to that, you can use vinegar. So we're mixing now.
Ow, it stepped on my foot.
It's all right. Okay, now let's place 1 tablespoon of the mixture in the top of our volcano. Are you excited? Okay. Now,
Mommy, look.
we want to
It
pour
makes
about a cup
shadow.
of water.
It makes a shadow.
That's right. Now gradually pour 1 cup of water a little at a time and stand back. What? Did it die?
Go.
Now we're back. Okay, let's gradually pour and stand back. Wow.
I want it even bigger.
You want it even bigger?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is where they said add a little dish soap to the mixture. Yeah.
The volcano.
Add it to the mixture. It's a little bit bigger. I got an idea. Oh my gosh, it's gonna look like a murder. Okay, we're gonna have to clean this up.
Yes. It's spilled on the volcano side.
Our KABOOM! Oh no! So they weren't kidding that this is very messy. But if you look, it looks a lot cooler on this side. That's basically, okay, well, let's try to make it go KABOOM bigger, huh?
Mm-hmm, because I want it bigger.
Okay, let's add our mix. And then it says to add dish soap to the mix. And water. Do we have any more? Pour it all in there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And as always, see what happens.
Yes.
What a mess. It's pretty cool though. Whoa, there it goes. Whoa. We're gonna need our cleaning crew. What do you think?
Add some more.
Add some more water? I think that's it. This is kind of, oh, here we go.
We still have a little bit more.
You're blocking the volcano.
What?
You're blocking the volcano from our viewers. You gotta move out of the way.
Why?
Because so people can see our volcano. Move. Come on, come back over here.
But I can't see it from there with your arm.
Okay, so the explanation, and for a lot of our KABOOM experiments, is that the bubbling lava is a result, as we said, of the chemical reaction between the sodium bicarbonate and the citric acid. And in the reaction, carbon dioxide is created, which then builds up pressure in the lava chamber until it bubbles out of the top.
want to do that.
That's what we just did.
But I want to do it right now.
We don't have any more left. But what we can say is thank you for tuning in to our 4th episode of our KABOOM series. Our next series, we're going to do a lot
Hey,
with...
watch out your foot.
What color? The picture is coming your way. And as always, be sure to like, share, and subscribe so we can get more kiddos engaged and interested in STEM. Like Scarlett, she and I look forward to this every week. And if you do these experiments at home, please be sure to tag us and let us know.
Yes.
We want to hear how it goes. No, hold on. Ready?
Thank you for coming to Science Matter or Goodbye.
Awesome Science with Scarlett.
Awesome Science with Scarlett. Join us for more videos.
Join us for more videos. See you next week.